In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start using CJ Dropshipping with your eBay store to streamline your online business and expand your product offerings efficiently. Whether you're a seasoned seller or just starting out, this guide will help you navigate the process, maximizing your potential sales with ease. To get started, head over to cjdropshipping.com. If you don't have an account yet, no worries. You can quickly create one by following the straightforward prompts provided. If you're already a member, simply log in with your existing credentials. Having access to this platform opens up a wealth of products you can use to enhance your inventory. Once you're logged in, the next step is to connect CJ Dropshipping to your eBay store. In your CJ Dropshipping account, navigate to the section labeled My CJ and then click on Authorization. Here, you'll select eBay as your platform of choice and follow the on-screen instructions to link your eBay seller account. This integration is pivotal as it allows for real-time synchronization between CJ Dropshipping and your eBay store, ensuring a seamless operation as you manage your business. With your accounts now connected, it's time to dive into the product center within CJ's platform to find items that you'd like to offer in your eBay store. Explore CJ's extensive catalog and take your time to select products that not only have good ratings but also come with competitive prices and reliable shipping options. Selecting the right products is crucial since they directly impact your store's reputation and customer satisfaction. Once you've identified great products, it's time to add them to your import list. Head to the product page of each item you want to sell and click either Add to Import List or List on eBay. This step is simple but essential as it sets the foundation for editing and publishing your listings on eBay. Next, go to the import list in your CJ dashboard to customize each of your product listings. You'll want to tailor titles, descriptions, images, and prices to the style and theme of your eBay store. This personalization makes your listings more attractive and relevant to potential buyers. Additionally, ensure you choose the correct eBay category and an efficient shipping method for each product, as these decisions affect how your products appeal to customers and how fast they can receive their orders. When you're satisfied with your customized listings, it's time to publish them on your eBay store. With all your changes in place, simply click Publish. This takes your selected products live on eBay, presenting them to countless potential buyers. Finally, it's important to manage your orders effectively. Once a purchase is made on eBay, the order will automatically sync to CJ Dropshipping. CJ will then handle all the packaging and shipping directly to your customers, freeing up your time to focus on other aspects of your business. Using CJ Dropshipping with eBay not only streamlines your selling process, but also allows you to expand your catalog effortlessly. So dive in and make the most of these amazing tools.